Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will be multiplying doubles. 1 times 1 is 1 squared, which equals 1. 2 times 2 is 2 squared, which equals 4. 3 times 3 is 3 squared, which equals 9. 4 times 4 is 4 squared, which equals 16. 5 times 5 is 5 squared, which equals 25. 6 times 6 is 6 squared, which equals 36. 7 times 7 is 7 squared, which equals 49. 8 times 8 is 8 squared, which equals 64. 9 times 9 is 9 squared, which equals 81. 10 times 10 is 10 squared, which equals 100. 11 times 11 is 11 squared, which equals 121. 12 times 12 is 12 squared, which equals 144.